In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ODBC to Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step number one is open up Power BI. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on Get Data. Now, from here, you should see a window, an option for ODBC. If you don't see it here, that's okay. Go ahead and click onto More. And then in the search here, we need to type it in. So click on ODBC. Here it is here. So we want to go ahead and import data from ODBC. So select that, click on connect. Now it's going to say here your data source. So you want to select your data source. We've got advanced options here as well. So we've got the connection string. So for example, drive, SQL statement optional. So yeah, once you've selected your data source, Power BI may ask you how you want to authenticate. So depending on your ODBC database, you may see such options as Windows, Database, Basic, or Anonymous. Choose the authentication method required by your database and enter the credentials. Then from there, once connected, select your table. So Power BI is going to show you the available tables and views. So select the tables you want, choose how to load them. Then once it's loaded, go ahead and check your data.